Yeah, it's the boy Night in the building, baby. Tell him, you already know. Tell him, money kill time, for real. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your motor, your blower motor for your 2007 Toyota Avalon. Mine was going bad. It was going in and out. It was making noise. It's basically located under the passenger side, under the glove box. You don't really have to drop the glove box. And this is how it works. Basically when you turn on your AC is not blowing full air out of the vents. It'll blow slow and it make a bunch of noise. And sometimes when you turn it on, it don't come on at all. When it don't come on at all, that means no air is blown out of the vents. That means your AC, your motor blower is just done. You need to replace. I've been having that problem for a while now, but it just got worse. It got worse today, so I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it. I'll show you a little example how it sounds and everything in this tutorial. Or it's not that great because it was a hard position underneath the passenger side underneath the glove box, so I had a little hard time, but I did my best to show you guys how to do it and what tools you need. You need a T20 bit to screw out the 3 screws. It's easy to just pull out and unlock the cable that is connected to. Detach the cable to take it off and just replace it with the other new one. Let's get into this trilogy. This video is going to be a long one, but not too long. Hopefully it helps you guys out, because I'm the first person on here that replaced the blower motor on a 2007 Toyota Avalon. And I think this one runs from 2005 to 2015. Here we go. If you hear it, turn it up back high. Still hear the noise, but you're not feeling the air's not blowing. That's how it should. This is the brand new blower motor right here. This is for the 2007 Toyota Avalon, and I'm about to replace it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you guys, but basically it's located under here. And right now I can't really record and show you guys, so I'm gonna replace it. But I'm gonna replace it, guys, and show you. See if that's the problem, because I hear it been making some noise and no air at all blowing out of the vents. So no air at all blowing out my vents. This is the original blower motor, and I'm gonna replace it. I'm having a hard time. Okay, that's one over there. This is one as well. Where's the third one? Or the third one is right there. Okay, so those, I can't really see what size. Should I use a Phillips? I'm not sure, but it's 3 of them. It's one right there, one right there, one at the end, and one is right here. One is right there. Yep. It look like, I don't know what size that is. Yeah, nope, it's not a Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 6. That's what I need to take it out. Okay. Okay, so that's how I need to pull it out. Okay. I basically got it out. I already took this out. This is how it looks. It's been in here for like since this is the original one, so this was in there since 2007, and the first time it's getting replaced. This is the original one. As you can see, this is the original, and the one that I bought is right in the box. So I'm about to replace it right now. Once again, I don't have two hands, guys, so I mean sorry about that. I don't have four hands, and it's kind of difficult to hold the camera and put it in. So I'm gonna install it right now. Okay guys, man, it's hard. It's easy to install. As you can see, you just line it up the same way how you got the old one. When you just like the old one, you cannot put it in the wrong way if it's not going to fit correctly. So I got the first bolt right here. Let me try to get this thing to clear up. And this is the first bolt right here. Just want to give you all a good demonstration. And I said this is like a T20 screw that it uses. So far I didn't see no videos online that show how to replace the Toyota Avalon, the Toyota Avalon blower motor. So the other screw is gonna go up in this slot right here. Bam, what I'm showing up there. I can't really do it because I don't have 4 arms. I only have 2 arms, so I'm gonna pause the video and install it, and the last one go all the way in the back. As you can see right there, that was the hardest one to take out, all the way back there in the back. And I had to like shorten it. It comes with an extension, so you could extend it and shorten it if you don't have that much space. So the other screw go right back here, and the last one go back there. Let me pause this video. Okay guys, I got it perfectly installed. I'm gonna put the tray back on because they have this little tray that goes on there to block all that. I might clean it up a little bit. It's like a little dusty, and you guys can see it. Alright, I'm gonna test it out. Let me start the engine and turn on the AC and see if it works. Alright, I'm in the vehicle. Start it up. Engine start up. Turn it on. Perfect. It's working perfectly. So there you go. You could hear it. You can hear it. And the air is blowing. So air is blowing how it's supposed to blow. No hesitation. All air is blowing. Sometimes you need to, sometimes that's not always the problem. Sometimes it could be the resistor, the blower motor resistor. And also it could be the blend door. Like if one side is blowing cold, the other side is blowing hot. It could be one of your blend doors. Blend door went bad, which is very expensive because sometimes you got to actually go into take this whole shield off and replace that. But that's not my problem. My problem was the blower motor. It's old. This is the original one from 2007. We in 2019 right now, so it's time for it to be replaced. So I just replaced it. I spent $127 at Advanced Auto Parts here in Florida. I did it myself. As I said, it's a the tool is a T20 to get it off. This is a 2007 Toyota Avalon, and I bought this kit at Walmart. Where's the kit? Here it is. The kit right here is tough, hyper tough, 44 piece screwdrivers bit set, hyper tough. So I bought this at Walmart for like $10. I bought it like couple months ago, or probably last year I bought it. Good stuff. And the only thing that gave me a little hard time was the position that it's located, and because I had to actually bend down and look under to find the screws. But otherwise than that, it's very easy to be replaced. This AC is running, working real fine, real cold, how it's supposed to. I love it. And this is the little extension they give you in the kit as well. So this is the old one right here. This is the old blower motor, and this is the original one. Actually, I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, this is the original. It keeps going in and out. It's like it works when it wants to. So yeah, it works when it wants to, and it probably was the resistor probably was going bad. But I'm the type of person, you know what, let me just get something brand new so I don't have to look back at that problem until another long time, because you know nothing lasts forever. Everything is man-made. A lot of things is meant to break, no matter what, how good you try to keep your vehicle and how you keep up with your vehicle. So yes guys, I'm gonna put this clip back in this tray. I'm gonna clean it off and I'm gonna put it back underneath there, clean it off. And it's easy to take off, because all you got to do, I just use a screwdriver or use a flathead, and all I did was just pushed it in, pushed in each side, and just pull it and push it in and pull it off. All of them, one clip there, a clip there, another clip there. So you don't really need a special tool. Just use a flathead or a screwdriver and just squeeze it in from the bottom. Just squeeze it in and just pull it down. It'll come off. Easy and simple. That's an easy fix, guys. I thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And that's how you replace your blower motor for your 2007 Toyota Avalon. I think it runs higher. I think it's run from 2000. I think it's 2005 or 2006 all the way up to like 2015. All of them is like the same location, and I think it uses the same tool as well. It's good to investigate, diagnose your problem before you take it to the dealer, because I save a lot of money. I could have spent over like probably $300 to replace this just by buying the parts and the labor for the guy, and it takes like less than 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to replace it. Easy fix. Once again, this is 2007 Toyota Avalon. This is the limited edition. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.